If you've been using Fidor Bank and are now looking for reliable alternatives across the European Union, here are some of the strongest digital banking options that deliver flexibility, innovation, and security for both personal and business users. Starting with Revolut, one of the most established names in European fintech. Revolut provides multi-currency accounts with real exchange rates, international transfers at low fees, and an extensive suite of budgeting and analytics tools. Users can hold, exchange, and send money in more than 30 currencies instantly. For businesses, Revolut Business offers global payment solutions, integrated expense management, and easy API access for automation. Next is $26, a fully licensed German digital bank known for simplicity and transparency. $26 provides a sleek mobile experience with free Euro accounts, instant notifications, and automatic spending categorization. It also offers flexible sub-accounts called spaces, ideal for budgeting or saving goals. Their middle and business tiers include travel insurance, extended warranties, and premium customer support. Kanto stands out as one of the best options for freelancers, startups, and SMEs operating in the EU. Built for business banking, Kanto provides local IBANs, real-time transaction tracking, team access control, and accounting integrations with tools like Xero and QuickBooks. Payments are fast, user roles are customizable, and every expense can be tagged for seamless bookkeeping. For crypto-friendly users, Wise, formerly TransferWise, offers an international account that functions like a traditional bank but with global reach. You can hold balances in multiple currencies, get local bank details in the EU, UK, and US, and send money abroad at mid-market exchange rates. Wise is especially ideal for those who receive payments in foreign currencies or operate cross-border businesses. Another strong competitor is Monese, which provides instant account opening without the need for a traditional credit history or local address. It's particularly appealing for expats and freelancers working across Europe. Monese supports both personal and business accounts, fast Euro transfers, and integration with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Each of these Fidor Bank alternatives delivers strong digital infrastructure, transparent pricing, and regulatory security within the European Union. Whether you prioritize business tools, global payments, or personal finance control, these banks ensure your financial operations stay modern, accessible, and fully compliant with EU standards.